In this brief guide, we will demonstrate how to disable SafeSearch on your Android device. SafeSearch serves as a filter to exclude adult content from your internet searches. Begin by opening the Google app on your Android device. In the top right corner of the screen, you will observe a small profile picture icon. Tap on this icon. Next, locate the Settings option and select it. Subsequently, tap on Privacy and Safety. Here, you will find the SafeSearch option at the bottom of the list. Tap on it to proceed. To disable SafeSearch, simply choose the Off option from the available choices. This action will enable you to view all relevant search results, including those that may contain explicit content. It is important to note that this change applies to your Google account. Consequently, when you use other browsers such as Google Chrome while logged into your Google account, SafeSearch will remain disabled there as well. This concludes our tutorial.